How to get flying in WoTLK Classic? Well, first step is to get to the Outland, because there we'll be able to fly for the first time in WoTLK, and after you get to the Outland, you will be able to fly in Northrend. This is the second place where you will be able to fly. You are not allowed to fly in Azeroth. And this tutorial is for both Alliance and the Horde, so do not worry if you have a Horde character or an Alliance character, because I will show you for both factions in this tutorial. So if you don't know how to get to the Outland in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, you'll have to get right here in Stormwind at the Mage Quarter, climb this tower and right click on this portal. Now, to mention, you'll be able to right click this portal only if you are level 58. Now, quick to mention that you can access that portal only if you are level 58. If you are under level 58, you can't teleport to Outland using the portal from Stormwind, either the portal from the Ogrimmar. And speaking of Ogrimmar, I will also have to show you from where you can find this portal to the Blasted Lands from Ogrimmar. So I'm located right here in Ogrimmar in the Valley of Spirits, so Durotar, Ogrimmar, Valley of Spirits, and the same as with the Alliance, right click on this portal and you'll be teleported to the Blasted Lands right here in the south of Eastern Kingdoms, and you will have to enter this black portal, and the same as with the Alliance, you will have to enter the dark portal to get to the Outland. Now the second step is, if you are an Alliance, you will have to head to the Honor Hold, and if you are a Horde, you will have to head to the Thrall Mar, because there you will be able to fly the Windrider, and at the Honor Hold you will be able to fly the Gryphon for the Alliance. At the Honor Hold, I'm located right here. You will have to get right here, and I will show you what you'll have to learn and also the cost. So this is the training. The training to get started to fly for the first time in WoTLK is 225 gold, and you can learn that at level 60. You can start flying, alright? The level 70 is something else. And after you learn the expert riding, you will have to speak with this lady, because she will sell the level 60 Gryphons for 45 gold, and down below you'll find the artisan flying Gryphons, which cost 90 gold each, and with them you can fly much faster, and also you will have to get more expensive training for them. And showing you now the location for the Horde, I am located at Thrall Mar with an undead character, with a Horde character, and you will have to get right here on the map. And I will show you how to get the Windrider from here. So you'll have to speak with this troll. He will train you the expert riding at level 60 for 200 gold. I see it's much cheaper for the Horde. I don't know why. And also the artisan riding right here. And if you want to buy them, I will show you now from where. You will have to speak with this Tauren, and she will have the level 60 Windriders, and down below you'll find the faster ones. Now I want to show you how to get flying in Northrend for Alliance and the Horde. So to get flying in WoTLK in Northrend, you will have to get to the Dalaran. Now pay attention, because I will explain to you how everything works. So in Dalaran you'll find this flying lady. Let's speak with her, and she will sell a tome of cold weather flying. And if you have the riding at least at level 225, you can purchase this tome of cold weather flying. Alright, so you'll have to get training at least to the level 225 of flying, and after that you'll be able to purchase this tome of flying. If you'll buy this and learn this, you'll be able to fly in Northrend freely. Now pay attention, because I will explain to you a trick. This tome of cold flying cannot be traded and cannot be sold to another player, but it's soul bounded to your account. And let's say if you come here with your main character, which is a much higher level, and you have an alt account, an alt character, you can basically just purchase this tome of cold flying, and then you'll be able to mail it to your main character, because if we pay attention, it says at the top binds to account. So if we purchase this, then we go right here to a mailbox, we'll be able to send this tome of flying to the alt character which you have. Alright, it binds per account, and this will help you to get flying in Northrend with the slower Gryphon. But if you want to have this Gryphon, which will fly much faster in Northrend, you will have to speak with her, and you'll find down below the artisan riding, which cost 5000 gold. Alright, so you have make sure you have tons of gold in your pockets. If you pay 5000 gold for artisan riding, you will be able to fly this faster Gryphon in Northrend and also the faster Windrider. So this information I told you about applies for the Alliance and the Horde at the same time. And to get the level up to 225 of flying, so you can purchase this tome, I will show you what gold you need. So beside the level 60 expert riding, which I told you in Outland about, you will have also to learn the cold weather flying, which will get you up to level 225. So you will need 250 gold for the level 60, then you will need 1000 gold for the cold weather flying to get you to level 225. Then you need 1000 gold so you can buy the Tome of Cold Flying, and if you want to fly faster with your Gryphon, either with your Windrider, you will have to, let me show you, you will have also to pay 5000 gold for the artisan riding. And now the route to Northrend, I will show you for the Alliance first. So I'm located right now in Stormwind, at the port of Stormwind, so you'll have to get here because you have many ways to get to the Northrend. The most antisocial way will be to get a boat if you don't want to get teleported by a mage, because this is the second and the easiest way to get to the Northrend. If you will ask a mage for a Dalaran portal, some mages will create you a portal for free and others will ask for tips to create you that portal. So once you get to the port of Stormwind, make sure you will be on the 4th dock of Stormwind, because here will arrive a boat which will take you to Northrend, most exactly to Borean Tundra, which is the starting zone for the Alliance and also for the Horde in Northrend. Now once this boat arrives, just get aboard. Usually it will arrive in like 2 or 3 minutes, and after that it will get you to Borean Tundra. And right there I will show you where you can also find a raiding trainer from which you can train to get started flying, and also I will show you from where you can purchase the Gryphons in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. Now as you'll arrive in Borean Tundra as an Alliance, you will get here at the Valiant's Keep, and if you will turn right here, you will find this lady, which also trains the flying in Wrath of the Lich King for the Alliance, and also beside her, I believe it's her husband, which will also sell the Gryphons, which I mentioned by now. And you will find them right here on the map, in Valiant's Keep, in Borean Tundra, in Northrend right here. Now moving on the Horde character to show you how to get to Northrend as a Horde character, you will have to get right here in the front of Fogrimar, and you will have to climb this tower. I will show you in a second on the map once I climb it, because here will arrive a Zeppelin which will take you to Northrend, to Borean Tundra to be more specific. So you will have to get right here. We can see the Ogrimmar entrance from here. On the map we are located in the left side of Ogrimmar, right here in Durotar. Let's wait for that Zeppelin to arrive. Now fast forward, these are the Zeppelins which will arrive at this tower. You will have to take this Zeppelin, because the other one, let's see, I forgot from where it will get you. It will get you to Thunderbluff, so make sure you will get aboard to this one, which is also facing the Ogrimmar entrance. So that being said, let's wait until this Zeppelin will take us to Borean Tundra in Northrend. Alright, and we just arrived right now in Northrend. Let me show you on the map. We are located in Borean Tundra at the Warsong Hold, and right here down below. Now I'll show you from where you can get the Windrider inside Warsong Hold, in case you are wishing to know on a Horde character. So once you get here, you will have to get to the rooftop of this building. I will show you now. So this is the Zeppelin. Come right here, because here will arrive an elevator. Pay attention on the top so that will not land above your head. That will hurt a lot. So get aboard on this elevator, and as I told you, on the rooftop you locate the flying trainer, and also from where you can purchase this Windrider. So you'll have to get right here. This is the elevator. Let's get inside, and on the opposite side, I believe, yes, there is the training. There is I don't know what there is. And inside here you'll find the Windriders. You will have to speak with this troll. She will be the trainer for the flying, and nothing new by now because I already shown you these trainers. I just wanted to show you the location in Northrend for the Horde as well, and this Tauren will have for sale the Windriders, the level 60 and also the level 70s, which are much faster. And the location on the map one more time, we are located at Alliance and Horde in Borean Tundra right here. So you can get training and buy the Windriders, either the Gryphons from Alliance and Horde, from Valiant's Keep right here for the Alliance, and also in Crystal Song right here in Dalaran. These are all the locations which you will need to get flying in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoW WoTLK. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Leave your thoughts down in the comments so we can help more people with this video, with the algorithm. Don't forget to like the video, and thank you a lot for watching my tutorial.